Mastering DeepSeek AI, Unlocking the Power of Data. Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering DeepSeek AI and see if I can do it like a pro. DeepSeek AI is a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence, and for good reason. With its innovative features and cutting-edge technology, it's no wonder that professionals and beginners alike are flocking to this powerful tool. But what makes DeepSeek AI so special, you ask? For starters, its ability to learn and adapt at an incredible rate sets it apart from other AI tools on the market. This means that users can tap into a wealth of insights and data that were previously inaccessible, giving them a major leg up in their field. One of the biggest pain points I hear from users when it comes to AI tools is that they're just not sure where to start. They've got this fancy new toy, but they have no idea how to actually use it to get results. And when they do try to dive in, they're often met with confusing interfaces, outdated tutorials, and a whole lot of frustration. Another common challenge is that many AI tools are simply not user-friendly, requiring a PhD in computer science just to get the thing up and running. And let's not forget about the data. Getting high-quality, relevant data to feed into these tools can be a nightmare in and of itself. But despite these challenges, the benefits of using AI tools far outweigh the costs. And with DeepSeek AI, I'm excited to show you that it doesn't have to be so hard. I know that when I first started using DeepSeek AI, I was blown away by its sheer power and potential. But as I dug deeper, I realized that there was a lot more to this tool than meets the eye. One of the key functionalities that sets DeepSeek AI apart is its ability to analyze and process vast amounts of data in mere seconds. This means that users can get insights and answers to their questions in real time, without having to wait for hours or even days for the data to process. Another major advantage of DeepSeek AI is its incredibly intuitive interface. Gone are the days of sifting through complicated tutorials and user manuals. With DeepSeek AI, you can dive right in and start getting results from day one. Let's take a closer look at how to use DeepSeek AI to maximum effect. One of the most powerful features of this tool is its natural language processing capabilities. With this feature, users can essentially ask DeepSeek AI questions in plain English and get back accurate, relevant answers in return. This is a total game changer for anyone looking to get fast, reliable insights from their data. Another key feature is DeepSeek AI's ability to integrate with a wide range of data sources. Whether you're working with spreadsheets, databases, or even social media platforms, DeepSeek AI can tap into it all, giving you a unified view of your data that's unparalleled in the industry. Here's a powerful hack that I want to share with you that will take your DeepSeek AI game to the next level. Are you ready for it? Here it is, using DeepSeek AI's predictive analytics capabilities to forecast future trends and patterns in your data. This feature is seriously powerful and can give you an edge that's unmatched in your industry. But here's the thing. It's not just about having the data. It's about knowing how to act on it. That's where DeepSeek AI comes in, providing users with actionable insights that they can use to drive real results. But here's the thing. This hack is just the tip of the iceberg. With DeepSeek AI, the possibilities are truly endless. And that's what I want to leave you with today. Not just a few fancy tricks and tips, but a sense of empowerment and possibility. By mastering DeepSeek AI, you can unlock a whole new world of insights and opportunities that were previously closed off to you. If you're as excited as I am about the possibilities of DeepSeek AI, I'd love to hear about your experiences with this tool in the comments below. Have you used DeepSeek AI to gain valuable insights or drive business results? Share your stories and let's continue the conversation. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips, tricks, and insights on how to get the most out of DeepSeek AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.